G'day, Mcdaddy, camper trailing. Once again, we are in Esperance, and we've gone to another unique Esperance business that produces leather from fish. It's a very interesting place to visit, and also you could pick up some very unique souvenirs or gifts.
Nestled in the picturesque coastal town of Esperance lies a unique fish leather tannery. Mermaid Leather is Australia's only commercial fish and shark leather tannery, founded in 1989 by local fishermen seeking a sustainable use for seafood byproducts. At the Mermaid Leather studio in Esperance, you can learn how fish skins, barramundi, snapper, shark, are transformed into durable, fragrant-free leather through a multimedia presentation. Feel the textures, touch and examine exotic hides, barramundi, shark, stingray, each with unique patterns and strength. Browse artisanal goods, choose from handbags, wallets, jewelry, belts, even fish leather pants, lovingly handcrafted by a small family-run team at Mermaid Leather. Support eco-innovation. They upcycle around 10,000 skins a year from commercial fisheries, avoiding waste, creating beautiful, long-lasting products. The perfect spot to buy a unique gift for the special people in your life. Plan your visit. Open Tuesday through Sunday, 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Free entry. Location: 6 Wood Street, Esperance, WA.